Hi, this is just a quick demonstration on maintaining the aspect ratio for text. So I'm in the online version of Canvas Workspace and I'm just going to add some text here. I'm just going to do a letter R because I was asked for this information. We'll just get rid of the original text in there and we'll just pop an R in here. Click away and it will bring up your adjustment handles. We'll just grab it and slide it over to the right hand side a little bit. Now you'll see as my mouse goes over the corner there that it changes into two-ended arrow, and you can just drag that to a larger or smaller size, whatever suits your project. I'm going larger for the moment. You can use your grid on your mat to check the size. You can see on this particular one it's got a larger box around it. It's not sort of a close to the R, so you're not going to get an accurate size for the actual letter from there, so you may need to use your grid on your mat. You can also change the size by the side handles. It will not retain the aspect ratio doing it this way. It will stretch it a little. Some letters are a little forgiving of being stretched, so if you need a particular size, you can see it sort of stretches out. If you stretch too far, obviously it distorts the letter too much. So just to a reasonable size you can do it, or you can just undo that with the undo arrow there and go back to the original size. The other way to do this is up here on the show properties, and it will bring up the sizes available on what you're working on, and you can see that this one's 5.26 by 2.83. We've got the maintain aspect ratio checked, so if we did not want the aspect ratio to be steady or kept the same, you can take that checkbox out and you can just increase the size like that. You'll see it's increasing slowly there. So that is another way of doing this. You can also change it with the resize by scale. I'll just undo what I've just done, take it back to there, click on it again, and the resize by scale, and you can reduce or increase in that area too. Same with this one, this choice. You can maintain the aspect ratio as well for that one or not. Now this is also available in the downloaded version, so that was the online version. So we can do exactly the same in the downloaded version. I'll just choose an R just the same. I'll zoom in a little bit. And I'll just adjust this a little so you can see it. And we'll zoom in a bit more. And you can see straight away that the box, I'll just make it bigger, the box is right up to, the selection box is right up to the edge of the R for this one. So if you go into the right hand panel in the downloaded version, that size would actually be the correct size, and you can actually type in here and just say we wanted it 5. It's in inches, so if we wanted it 5 inches, it will change both. So you've got it maintaining its aspect ratio 5 by 634. Uncheck that and it will change it one width at a time. So same as the online version, the arrow will change and you can adjust it this way, or you can make it slightly wider if you wanted to, or slightly longer. Alright, just a quick lesson in maintaining the aspect ratio with letters. Thanks for joining me.